Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to solve DSA array problem. So the problem is two sum array problem and the technique will be two pointer technique. Okay, I repeat again, the problem two sum array and the technique two pointer technique. Okay, why I have actually repeated this? Actually I repeated, the reason is I have solved this problem earlier where I use brute force approach and traditional actually nested loop to solve that problem. Nested loop means loop inside the loop. Okay, so the time complexity was big of n square. The problem is when the input size will increase or array size will increase, then this program will be slow. Okay, so it's a big issue, so we have to solve this issue. So that's why I'm going to introduce the technique. The technique will be two pointer technique. Okay, so in terms of DSA problem solving, if we understand two pointer technique vividly, understand clearly, then we can solve so many complex problem easily. Okay, it will be game changing. Okay, and in terms of this problem, we solve this problem by a two pointer technique, but the array has to be sorted. Okay, I mean ascending order or descending order. Okay, but the array has to be sorted. Okay, and we use only one loop, and there is no need to use any extra array or any variable. We use in place memory technique, and that's why the space complexity will be big of 1, I mean constant space. Okay, so let's write into the code for hands-on practice. Okay, so now I am going to solve this problem, two sum problem, but before I write this code we have to understand the problem first, and right after we will write the code. Okay, so two sum problem. So it's a LeetCode problem. The problem number is 1 and its category is easy. Okay, but we are going to solve this problem. I have told you I have solved this problem using brute force approach earlier. You can find the link in my in this video description. Okay, so I have solved that problem, this problem, brute force approach. So now I am going to solve this problem using two pointer technique. Okay, so the problem is given an array of integer number and integer target. Okay, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Okay, I explain it later. Okay, you may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use same element twice. Okay, so the explanation, I mean example 1 is, this is input section and here it is input, and you will be given this input. Okay, one is number array and another one is target number. So here you can see number and target. Okay, and indices you have to return and add up. You have to find out the array you will be given. You have to find out two number, I mean here 4 number. Okay, so you have to find out two number that summation is equal 9, like here 2 plus 7 that equal 9. Okay, so you have to return this two number position or index or indices. Okay, so they said here indices, but you can understand that it's a position or index, no problem. Okay, so array start from 0, so 0 1 2 3, so here the index position will be 0 and 1. So you can see right output is 0 and 1. Okay, so we are going to solve this problem using two pointer technique, right? So the condition is the array have to be sorted. Okay, so here the array is sorted array. Okay, 2 7 I mean 11 15, it's the ascending order of a sorted array, right? So if this array would not sort, then you have to sort that array. Okay, so I first of all I just copy this code, okay, input, and paste it here. So I make it unsorted. Okay, so here 11 is first, then 2, and then 15, and then 7. Okay, so here the solution is exactly one solution have 2 plus 7 is equal 9. Okay, so it's an unsorted array. Okay, so I have to sort this array first and then I will do operation. Okay, so this two variable. Okay, I have to declare a variable function. Okay, so function will be two sum array. Okay, so I declared the function and I have to call this function. So calling function is like here I have to send this to value, target, I mean number and target you have to send, and I hold this return result into the variable. So variable will be result, result result, and print the result. Okay, so result result. Okay, so I send this input here and I also receive here. So it's a body of this function. Okay, so body or definition. Okay, So now I print this. Okay, so number and target. So now if I run it, I will see this. Yes. Okay, here I can see our original input. So 11, 2, 15, 7 and target. Okay, so now let me write the code first, and right after I will explain it. Okay, so I remove this. For sorting this array, I have to write something. Okay, so here the variable will be index array, and here I stored this array, tuple array, and value and key, with value and key. Okay, so value index holds the key, so for, and it will be index and value. Okay, in this function enumerate, and it will return number and element, and this actually return element and index as well. So this variable one by one it return generate value with index. This holds the first one, value, and it holds position 0. Okay, so now if I run this, print this, so you can see here it's a tuple array, 11, 0, 2, 1, 2, 1, 15, 2, 7, 3. Okay, so now I have to sort this array. So sort index array, sort this function, actually it's a built-in function, Python built-in function. So here key lambda and x is 0. Okay, so now if I run it, then I can see index. Okay, so here you can see sorted array. Actually I have to return, print this also. I just comment this code. Okay, so here it's tuple array and it's a sorted array. You can see here the value is based on value. Actually it holds, it's actually return 0 position. 0 position is value. Okay, based on value it sorted the array. So 2, 7, 11 and 15. So it's a previous array, this line after tuple array, and after it's a sorted array, after sorted array. So 2, 7 and 11 and 15. You can see the position keep remaining same. Here you can see the position is 1. Okay, 2 position is 1, 11 position is 0. You can see 11 position is 0. So index position didn't change. Okay, so now I have to declare pointer, as we are going to solve this problem using two pointer technique. So I have to declare two pointer. So pointer will be left pointer start from 0. Why 0? As array start from 0 position. So this is, it's a array. So as you know that array start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, like it continue like this. Okay, so the right position is here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So I need position 3. So that's why right variable this function actually length, return the length of this array. So number, if I print it right variable, so then you can see element is 4. Okay, so it's a 4 element of array. So I need position actually. So if I minus it 1, so then I will get the last index position. So if I run it, then I can see 3. So finally I got two pointer, left pointer and right pointer. It actually left pointer holds 0 position, that means value will be 11, and right position holds the 3 position, position 3 value is 7. Okay, so now I solve this problem using while loop. Okay, while. Okay, so while condition will be left is less than right until less than right. Okay, so it represent like this, left 0, initially 0 and 3. So definitely it will work. So I need to sum this. It's a sorted array, right? so we work with this. Okay, so I need this value actually. So how can I actually get? So sum, I hold the value, so index array, I need left position hold 0, that means full this tuple it holds, and I need the value, so 2, I need 2, right? So that's why I need this position is 0. Okay, so again I also write for right position, I mean right pointer. Okay, so right pointer is it actually holds total 15, I mean this actually hold this tuple, and by writing 0 I will get value 15. So it actually represent, instead of this it will represent 2, and instead of this it will represent actually 15. 15 means here actually this right pointer holds this tuple. Okay, so I hope you understand. And here I need to check if sum equal target, I mean this target we have sent it here and we received here actually. So return if equal, then it actually return the position. Okay, so I need position, so that's why I need 1, I mean tuple 1 position, I mean here 0, by providing 0 I get value, and if I write 1 then I will get that tuple position, that means this. Okay, I again say here left index holds this tuple, and I now summation and target is equal, so that's why I need the position, so that's why I have to write here 1. Okay, and give comma, and another one will be write this here, it will be 1 also. Okay, so if equal, and if not then else if summation is less than target. Okay, so then if the summation is less than target, that means here you can see first time, so 15 and 2, that equal 17. So 17 definitely bigger than sum, so that's why bigger than sum, not less than sum. Okay, so that's why left side will be updated, I mean plus 1. Okay, and else it will be right side minus 1. Okay, so I hope I have solved this problem. So if I run it, so okay, I have to return and print it here. Okay, so position is 2, 1 is 1 and 3. So you may see here, okay, I just remove this, I just comment it. So now if I run it, then you can see 1 and 3. So here 2 and 7, that equal 9, right? So here it return 2 and 7 equal 9, and it return the position, I mean 2 position is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 3 our desired indices. Okay, so if I change the input, I just keep this input previous time. So now you can see 0 and 1. Okay, so our program has been solved perfectly. So I hope you enjoy this explanation. If you have any doubt, any feedback, feel free to comment below, and definitely I will respond it. And yeah, we are running out of time, so thank you very much for watching till it here, and see you in the next time. Until then, goodbye.